876, critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.
Nah, really do nothing for you. Cause you go up there right now and you just go write all the application and not do nothing for you. But I'm telling you this, man. You see more you continue to go up there, and that make you relevant. You see moment you decide to go up there, and that make you non-relevant. You understand me? I say.
And that they want. That a part of matrix.
Yeah,
if you forward, picture this. Let me give you a system bullet then. Since the dog touch a part there. Everybody know corruption. From link system, job to government, if in inefficiency. That a real corruption. That's what I say link system. Me have my work, me have my qualifications when I study for and then sit there. Well, see, I'm school wanna send me, you know. Zane and tell me something if you get this and get that, you know. Yet still, me can't get it work. I want to look at somebody where half of them have get it work because of your linky.
Can you know somebody?
The system they are straight corruption, but they help that help keep you down. So same thing where they tell you say, yo, you see then linky get through easy. Cause then linky, you see me, you have to go up them and see your face every day. Where they have to start fret now, say no man, the boy we start write on newsletter, same thing. You see what me I say? Say every day and come up here so I can't see we in there about 13 times now.
Let me go on a prime example, man, saying for sure say country not really mean nothing. Fee country. The leaders them no mean no good fee country. What is? They have real youth where can manage your work and would have more experience in their work, but them need to get the farm work yard. And the politician them take the farm work yard and get who they know.
Yeah.
Them give one man all 5 farm work yard. I expect that one man to find 4 more somebody. Cause he might take one, you know. Mine chop him take 2. Cause him brother want 1 too.
Yeah.
And you see 2 of them where go, them 2 they plan to catch drugs. And them I go make next time when them people they want farm workers, them not take 5 from Jamaica no more, them take only 2. Because 2 last year try catch drugs.
Let me show you one next.
Them thing they fuck up the country, bro.
And them
so I'm sure you say, you understand? Because of that I benefit them. Let me tell you why. You see that one man that will get the 5, him recruit, he basically in community to come vote. And that's why I'm going to tell these people, I don't know about no boy now. You think the boy can come on me here when election time come tell me about go vote. Hey boy, you go vote, right? It's when you go vote, stay your place. But if you ever come on my yard and come tell me go vote, man, I send you a deepest part of you.
Let me show you this. Healthcare free in Jamaica.
If me a vote, I go vote for myself. No boy now can't me go do nothing, bro.
Healthcare free in Jamaica. And enough of you them would even go take a checkup. Enough people not take a checkup. Why? Because through healthcare free, where people them do, then give a crappy service. So you yourself don't want to go there. Because you say a whole day thing.
Yeah.
But that is planned. That is a part of matrix.
That's what they do.
You see what I say? You can't have workers them come every day and just sign off 100 people. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yo.
Where medication come from? Where we need to save some of them money where we put on a slot for medication. No, we can't just give you all of them.
A couple of years me doing hospital people, so I can tell you the first thing for sure say, no hospital no want to know there. If you disbelieve me, right? When you go to the hospital, you see now where you register most of the time when you register, I don't talk when you stand up outside and register, you know. When you register, I go get you. You see, in other place there, always be A&E, accident and emergency, don't it? I one of the coolest part in any hospital.
Yeah, man.
You see, as Jamaica be right now, you're going there, you know one stay in for 1 hour straight.
Yeah.
What do you mean by this? Go your yard. We are staying we are still in our freezer, bro. Tell me.
Alright, let me give you this, Zane. Because adapt me and tell about the poor healthcare. Zane, so they don't fix up the place, you know. Zane, because they want you to left.
Yeah.
The service terrible, because they want you to left. You understand? Alright. So
which hospital in Jamaica now want you left? When I come to you saying about me, I'm saying hospital. One way, bro, the only one me can tell about upper university are you.
Yeah.
Because government is a partly private hospital. Government pay half of the bill.
Let me give you a lifestyle matrix because of them alone of day in this time in here, you know. Seeing things say this a free will, you know, but I'm giving a lifestyle matrix. Quick money mentality.
Quick money.
It's scamming and a lot of scam and you had a risky hustle them way. If you're not dead, you're not really create no generational wealth. You see what I say? Party over progress. You whole pay gone for a weekend and here you know like idiot. Work hard, me deserve it.
Yeah, that boy. skate the beast pan it. Well, I miss one video over there. One dog a skate in Benz pan one road. And it turn over and mash up. And me hear me that video. Me hear me that background and say, well, we are going to find one to fix up back this.
Dog, minimum wage a 16 grand. One buckle of anything, I don't really know because I don't drink any, but I have to assume say a 16 grand.
So for sure you Jamaica corrupt. None of them youth here where drive Benz and BMW not supposed to drive it, and the whole society know that.
Then, so what you know now? In no savings culture, where you live hand to mouth with no investment knowledge, they don't give you no investment knowledge. Because you have one broken education system where you have outdated subjects and underfunded school. Let me show you something about the education system part there, because I don't want them there reason with what they know. They have one subject named City and Guilds. Yeah. Then say you can use it overseas. Alright. Caribbean Examination Council. CXC. Yeah. Big exam where we know from where you go.
Yeah, for a long time.
That have to keep you in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
That if you can work in the Caribbean.
In the Caribbean country. Barbados and them places.
Continue to be a slave under colonialism. You see me?
Because
we know this from CXC go overseas no mean nothing.
We know. Because somebody go there in a chat, you know. Tell we say. No dog gonna suck if you go a Cayman. Whole for money I make. Me have a virgin live a Cayman. I say, and the dog say, yeah, we money chang over here, the dog. But you know, 1 year about the rent.
To blows and skirt.
So watch a part-time matrix. Don't feel you go to Cayman and you go to drop there. A whole couple of years you reach.
Zid.
Which part, brother?
Just look on the exam there. Where people them did a train with. For just be some slave in a few little
really
boat. Yeah, so we never go foreign. That's why it takes so long for we reach foreign. Zid.
You see only economy where did they? Where people...
Why never not follow me?
You see economy where did they were full of luxury. Dubai and them places.
Yeah.
Then have one work sitting there for you go work and turn billionaire said way too. No economy not did the dog for you sit down and work and turn a billionaire. Just work, normal work, 9 to 5. Yeah, we say it have to be one Jeff Bezos, one Elon Musk. We realize the system, Virgin, Elon Musk not take no pay. For in job, in take stock, you cannot tax that.
Exactly.
Because he don't have no cash, you can't tax him. When he ready to buy something now, he can the same stocks go to one bank and tell him, say, brother, me have them stocks. Say, what can I help me buy that? And then buy that TV. No money not go to your account.
That's smart.
Who you going to tax him?
That's very smart. So what you know?
As somebody that we identify the matrix already. So you see, we they attack, I try explain it to people when understand it. To all them on the year through video and say, yo, boy, me I tell you no, have a hard la climb.
Them a go kill you no.
Who have a hard feel climb, brother.
But they don't know our faces. No, but people, economic bullets. You see me? A high cost of living.
I don't know where me come from, because you say, but they know one dark room.
One dark room. I mean, no share no. I am not chronicler. Yo, high cost of living, a grocery, a rent, and a transport where go up while the wage just stay the same. As me just say a 16 grand minimum wage reach. Then student loan, a debt where hang over on a picnic them before they even start life properly. A year would like idiot now. Me no have it, might as well you go take one if you get one. I said, bro, stop it. Then a be a low paying jobs there in Jamaica, especially call center and the contract work. Cause look what going now. Then the call center pay you like $4 US per hour. See? Dog, you know the wickedest thing? Then can pay you $13 and keep it the next 10 for themselves, you know?
More than that.
They are next 20 for themselves or whoever, you know, because US not paying $4 per hour, you know, brother. A garbage people, me see I send something about must say $20 per hour or $18 per hour, you know. Zane, one time I posted something on IG a couple of years ago, you know, bro. Zane. So, you have to pay Jamaican people and see we feel good. The matter we say they give you some if you forward the work early and then something there. We get incentive. Yeah. We money, you know. We own money and see we kill ourselves. I take our time now to reach out their work, for do for them slavery.
Abandon your picnic them.
Bro.
Because you have never picked them earlier.
A great deal of our actions or our motivations in life have an underlying desire or need to acquire it. But what's the point in acquiring it if the great issue seems to be with our ability to manage it?
Jamaicans now have the highest credit card debt in history. Translation: you didn't learn anything!
Debt is an invisible burden being carried by the country's most vulnerable.
Of course, these statistics are reflective of the UK and the US. But consider for a moment your own attitude towards money and how money exists in your own life. What is money to you? Does it seem to enter your life and immediately leave once you have it? Has it ever placed you in a vulnerable position? A vulnerability that drew you closer to a get-rich-quick scheme or a guru telling you that you can get rich if you just bought their course? Whilst my entire channel aims to tackle these topics to some degree or another, I realize that our perceptions of money are sometimes more crucial than our ability to generate it, especially when our very brains are wired in such a way that prevents us from being financially sensible. Does it really matter if you're earning more than 6 figures a year if by the end of that year you have nothing left to show for it? Where is the disconnect? It's time we solved that mystery. And not only that, but explore a better framework for understanding money, a framework commonly taught in personal finance but oftentimes missed in formal education.
Me not tell us to stop working out because we need the money. Wanna see what go on right now? One screen we have, we need back one. I want to scream them, so let us run up the subscription if you don't subscribe yet. And who they already? We don't know we no mad. I don't know we no suicidal, so nobody run left way. But go tell a friend said we, you know. But watch you know. Remittance, independency, family where rely on foreign money to dog instead of building local wealth. You see, the people
well, I know.
part of it, they under the matrix.
Because I know that verse in our Bible, you know, but I swear, remember this much, you watch this for Sunday name movie. When God there upon the land, right? When they say God, Jesus is there, I walk land, right? When I people me visit, when disciple them that tell him to visit the people, them over so good people, them, right? When I people them women visit, I people them what we would call loan shark now. But basically I give you a loan and get back with interest. Right? And it's like God basic thought was you're not supposed to want back no interest. You understand me I say? And that me I say it will world see if you take a look on in a dog. Yeah, because if you loan you get you have to pay back interest, you know. And at that loan, you know. Make some people understand. Yeah, we have a business person who tell us say a loan help him to survive.
Hey, me no want to go in a Bible matrix.
No, well I know on a Bible.
No, that me talk about. Me no want to go in a religion matrix.
I loan me a going in because what you know.
You know.
You see, if you cost loan, it make you look away. If we cost loan, because we basically are doing. See, you have a businessman who will tell us say, yo, a loan me there where me there right now. See, because common sense loan there now. I mean, say, if you have a driver as a youth, for example, like a driver to make it in life, see? This is one loan me always free. As a youth, the first loan me free where you can use make life, see? You pre say you're the one getting like a Jota towards them, see? And you know you could have maybe just go and run some trip because you know you could find people and sit and you could have get some trip. So you want one of them, what they call them, new buster.
What,
like
the coaster them?
No, like a Taji them.
Or Vaxi business.
Or Vaxi, or one coaster, or whatever. But you know, say it costs $2.5 million. You continue to do your work and save. No, you're not live luxurious like someone you would buy big car, just a save. You reach $2.5 million. You see, instead of you buy the vehicle out of your bank account, you go to one bank.
Out of your pocket?
Yeah, out of your pocket, out of your bank. You don't go to car mart, you know do that. You go to the bank and make your bank know say what you know you want to buy one vehicle. See? The bank will charge you interest, you know. But at that you're going to use now. So you're going to donate your time just like working 9 to 5. You see it? The bank will charge you interest and you have to go continue to pay upon a set time.
But
like each month.
You have to know where you generate more.
Yes.
Funds
so if you dedicated. You can
pay off the interest.
Yeah, guys. Then if you dedicated until all yourself say you all night when they expect them would go sleep.
Mash up the interest.
Yeah, when they expect them to go sleep where. Christmas when they expect them to go take day off. Where? Me I work hard, man, and pay them back quick.
You can up yourself out.
Pay them back quick. You see, first time.
You're still under the matrix.
You're still under the matrix, but you use it. You see, first time you pay back the loan to your bank, like the bank give you 2 years.
So they happy.
The bank give 2 years to pay back.
Boy,
And you pay back in a 1
what
year.
you saying now, Mr.?
What you saying,
Come
Mr.
true.
Valentine, sir? Let's go around this side. And we run to the start, can you know? Come tell you, see next vehicle them you want?
Mm-hmm.
I get they know Mr. Valentine pay bill. And I say, if you can do that, that one farmer loan can help you reach to success. And because United is, you know, if you dedicated enough, you can keep your $2.5 million in your bank account, never touch. Never touch. Means you know, pay back one day loan out of it. You just know say you work hard to pay back the loan. You keep your $2.5 million and you still have the vehicle value $2.5 million you don't pay for it and you own.
Solid. But you have to, if you don't know,
you have to dedicated enough.
If you don't know,
because you know at that time,
reach you.
You have to know you're in a matrix and dedicated enough.
You see me,
and go through, yeah, man.
Chevy would have said you have to burn with this.
Yeah, bro.
What you see, boss out time matrix, I burn with that.
Yeah, man.
And learn it. Burn with it. Zane, so watch you know, my friend. Pan the point there, where I tell you say, Zane.
Yeah, that can be a call to action if you want.
The things them, you know who know them sitting here? What I Uptown people them. Where you see just me short. Cause watch you know. Me can tell you something, I got Chris Gale house. Zane. And Chris Gale house big enough. But we know Chris Gale universe boss. You know what I say? Ray. So he was supposed to dig, right? Alright, boom. When me there outside, on the side I step there so I tell a big house, you know, man. And me look up the flag there. Or down the flank, you know, I don't know how the flank business go, but me look one part there. Me see one spiral gun way up, so just run like a some tower thing me I tell
To the bigger picture. No, we just fly like we no live here. Live in the island, getting richer. That's what I got the right time and America. Never stop fight, me no better. Mummy a fi alright, life giver. Me no find excuse, man finding a text, come and a try fi ma. Every get to you, a cash talk round, I say you fi talk cash. People no too care, nobody no man here. Cash talk round, I say you fi talk cash. And when the house say you buy, when the car when you see, cash talk round, I say.
Gone way up, saying I want to look a bald head man there on top of it, and I say, but this is Chris Gale house. Who him? Where him though?
Universe. How would that say? Oh,
and
Chris Gale house so. I see this about house that we up so eh?
Yeah, I
mean, so this about that
where him though? Watch you now, me I look down, you know. One big rock up. You me call you one time, them and I show you one house, and I say, dog, yes, house, buy, you know.
Yeah.
Zane, who own that the house that when me did that show you? Who own the house? Me know who own the house the bottom side. Why?
Pause.
Oh, that was crazy.
I said, yo, you said I hate you on my neck.
Yo.
Chris Gale, but me not go even tell you no because me was I know on the rush with the Matrix, yeah. In a Matrix, I know, so me I give out location and then sit there, so this boy is dangerous. Me head back my face. Yeah. So, but what me I say is, Chris Gale only sports personnel there, so. Only sports personnel there, so where the rest of them millionaires come from? Where them do? And all Jamaica support. And Matrix, let me show you now, me make a difference. Uptown difference with the rest of Jamaica. See? Economic matrix. I break it down again. So you see Uptown have access to generational wealth, family property, all money and trust funds. They have loans and mortgage with better interest rate, like whether I got to look while coffee interest rate as a trying man I got hard, you know. You hear when say when the bank goes up and say you pay back that all then come back easy and soft.
Cause I go tell you say, you know, who first somebody me really witness do it, me never see, me not know him, you know.
Yeah.
I want doctor, me usually work on the most on my place on myself. One doctor, one car forward, right? But somebody run up in a B side, in a back side. See? And it's like you will run us a tear off. So it's like your brother will work as a mechanic. And you can go ahead and see it. So you decide say you want to buy from that, so you get to know history, right? You know, say somebody lick that.
Yeah.
And the bank when buy the vehicle through.
Yeah.
Give him back one new one, and that's still parking and garage around there. Brother. So this someone in sell this someone I know. Yeah. Someone take off around this one fix and I think drive.
Just imagine. See, so watch you know. Interest
Because a doctor interest rate different from me, you know.
Because I family name are collateral. Then, all right, you have easier access to foreign currency accounts and investments. Then, while the rest of Jamaica, we live paycheck to paycheck. If you get a loan, interest rate sky high. We're not a generational asset. We are start from scratch every generation. My mother start from scratch and my father. Me I start from scratch and my woman. Me pick the never go start from scratch and it go so. It'll stop right here. So for me pick them, I can promise you that. Don't worry no head. But you hear me I say, and that basically it for Jamaica in a real life though. Zane, let me give you education. Let me just run it off and then you can say, just remember what I said. I'm giving you education matrix. The difference between uptown, downtown. Because I'm there right, them down in the brother. You see, uptown, you get the prep school, the private high school, the international curriculum. You hear me I tell you, say Jamaica biggest problem is the outdated subject them we get a French a teach of uptown and nursing thing. No. Now get them wrong so. You have a better teacher to student ratios uptown. The extracurricular activities and the overseas summer program them. Then them make you start network with future CEOs,
Job
politicians and business owners from early. Cause if Anjo son, Lee Chun son, a guy see him school. Come on, man.
Son gonna turn politician. Andrew son gonna turn biggest businessman.
And then link. From early, cause we are going from the same
so watch out now. Watch out now.
Matrix.
When the two of them know, when this about son turn politician, this about son a businessman, and we some law pass and I wonder, that.
Bro.
The two man, my friend.
Listen, man. So watch you now, no. The rest of Jamaica, we have the overcrowded government school with the outdated syllabus. Then, the teacher them burnt out because they have a limited resources and the ratio, exactly. In networking, limited to the immediate community where they're around, where you're going to find the local fireman around here. So, and make it, no whole of downtown want to be fireman and rubbish man and police and soldier because they have a load cut out to we as a school thing. We not talk with no business people and no bank people and no CEO.
You remember when I was video where the teacher tell the people say, they must have draw the bees in the book.
Draw the bees, PS the bees.
PS the bees in the book. And the damn people, them kill
the bees outside.
Yo, I wonder how them the people go find bees.
Oh, they're fortunate. Like they know. No, man, they go to Master cemetery bees them, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I say, you know, I say, Jimmy, them, I don't know what kind of thing they do PS bees. What kind of foolishness them in school are teach people them nowadays. But cemetery bees them now. Me pay you 250 for one, man. Me sorry, man, but I feel like a Jimmy.
Just take a look on it. Some farmer misinformation go on down the chain, you know.
Bro.
If I know a teacher, a student, some farmer misinformation go on the daddy. It's a real bees.
I outdated curriculum. So here me I say no brethren. Me go to crime and justice part of it. Uptown. Police more likely to talk to you nicely, you know.
Exactly.
Uptown or give warning.
True.
You see me? True. If you're arrested, lawyers depend retain a man. Majority of the time. So you can't even fake it if you get caught uptown. And just pull up on your phone.
Mommy, call the lawyer. Tell the lawyer there.
Some police they also talk to me about tickets and me the speed, you know. Try that in I get. Try that, don't get some boy. You get beaten till your lawyer reach. Yeah, so you better pray, mommy, call one for you, you know. Then,
Peter Champagne,
crime against you, I get a swifter investigation. That's when you call now. Then, as for the rest of Jamaica, my friend.
No, well, I know. Say it a better way. When you're uptown,
you're
innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah.
When you're downtown, you're guilty until proven innocent. Because the police, them with us, say you do something. Put your picture on social media, say, wanted for shooting and Ray. See? And I say, at that point, when they put out that, your base people basically are telling themselves, say, you're a gunman, you're a murderer.
And here we go on now, no.
A town, they not do that.
I'm give better way now, no. For swiftness, crime against you. Uptown, police, at 911. Downtown, police, at 119. I don't know people from bad beers and 911 I fired police and them forward quicker. You hear me say? Yeah, man.
Tell me so they never see this yet, people.
Bridget?
Our house a burn down. Can we see it already, you know? We see it over there.
Burn
Our
down
house a
flat,
burn
man.
down, see it?
Burn
And
down
everybody turn up and tell us, call the fire brigade. You know why they tell you that? They don't know which number to call it.
They do know. So the rest of Jamaica, we get police harassment in a certain community just for looking suspicious. This is what I say. No money for strong legal defense, so we get a look of free lawyer. Them boy, give him this and go on.
And one more point. In a ghetto, ambulance not come pick you up from your yard.
No, sir.
In a uptown, like Chris Gale yard, ambulance will drive go up with him. I tell you that.
What?
No, watch out now. They
What
are
is Gale?
they are raising his feet still now. I make it look like we just say it's a true my Chris Gale. You know? Long when he live pan the type of house when you have, he might pay more tax than me and you. He might pay property tax. That's the first thing, but we not pay down the same place. So that man Billy said.
He incorporate to the Matrix.
Yeah, fully.
Zane.
Cause me and you not good enough pay property tax.
So make we look at health, you know. Zane. Uptown, you have a private doctor them. He oversees medical trip them where you can take. You see me I say health insurance where you get from birth.
Yeah.
You have gym membership, personal trainers, and access to better food. Zane. While the rest of Jamaica now, a public clinics, when me explain to you, say they not take care of clinics just so you know go there. You see me? They have a long wait time just so you know go there. Then enough people only go doctor when tea can cut in the morning. Yeah, cause right now me feel sick. That's some mint tea or some ginger tea. And if that not work at then time, then me find out so serious. Me probably have to go pray some medication.
No, you go
some
upgrade
pill.
it, man.
You
You
see
now
me?
pass the soup. You upgrade it to soup first.
No. Them they are natural.
I
Me
send
talk
go
about the
shop to
timing.
grab a Panadol and
Yeah,
everything.
man, and that me talk about. Zine, so downtown.
Me here said what they are more if you throw that way.
What?
Here say if like a woman, I hear say me know. Cause somebody tell me. She have a baby in a foreign and she have found out that. She don't have to buy no ticket to pick me. I figure more or less because you don't have to pay no seat. You know, you pick me can't sell no one seat, you can't pick me in your hand. Cause it's a baby. So
I'm
more
to
want
care
know, know if vice versa.
I'm to care seat.
No,
I'm
for the
just saying
plane,
vice
me talk,
versa.
for the plane.
So no care seat.
You don't get
No, sit
you
down
know-
in a plane too.
No, but me I say you don't get no. She say
Mhm.
she don't have to buy no ticket for the baby.
Mhm.
That she say. So me want to know if vice versa. If a woman a go foreign now, if you don't have to buy no ticket for your baby, say they
From Jamaica.
from Jamaica. I mean,
2 years and older once the baby turns 2. Before or during the trip, they must
but
have
that
their
a from
own seat.
Jamaica to over there.
Yeah. Zane. So regardless of age, for international travel, the baby needs their own passport and any required US entry documents like a visa or ESTA.
Most likely over there pick me a go have them passport.
Yeah.
For your born, you must have
But
them.
so if the girl let's say she should get it free if you come here, it's not the same for go there. Watch out now. The cultural and social mix so we have we a match way up to now. Down here, so Zane. Uptown, you have exposure to art galleries. Yacht. Them bossy boat there. Yes, yacht. Clubs and international travel from you're young. You see me? You have a freedom to basically fail and try again. Because you have a family fund that your family set for your brethren. Alright, let me give you a prime example of the exposure business. We have one pool down here so near Mobis. Lock. Problem. Lock. A Clarendon with it. Only pool that. Brethren, pool their town. All 5 bills. Just go on. You see me I say swimming class. Just go on.
Good a bigger pool too?
Bro, and I'm
Better
good
pool
at.
too?
I'm more pool systems. You see me I say YMCA type shit.
Yeah,
You see me I say.
like warm water over the
Bro,
side thing.
listen, me, man. Yup, it is. Don't make them don't get caught in the Matrix, fam. You have to use the Matrix. That's the only way, because you can't rise up against the Matrix. Some shop, them days gone. And you see some shop, you have it dead for peace side go on, and when they do, then just put whip on one 10-year plan and then reset it.
Yeah, man, reset it, man.
Guess what me I say?
Because we not gonna remember.
Yeah, so Uptown living in Matrix VIP. Just look on it the way there. You see me? They still have the same programming, but it bullet them more slower to them. So they really know, you know, and they know where exit door there. So you go on downtown
Because
and live like on no sense.
Few bullet them off dodge like all the thing there. If you try dodgy, JPS bill and the flow bill and the bill the same.
Mhm.
But for them bill, I feel dodge when them a ship in a couple vehicle per wharf. I feel try dodge the amount of payment where them a go make. They don't want to make so much.
You better
And
know.
them there for them bullet as a big heavy cannon bullet.
Bridging, I
And
for
just-
one carrying 2 big guns in, and we have to agree some. Yeah, brother,
Yeah.
listen, me no man.
And them there
Yeah,
for
man,
them
them
bullet,
fool.
but that's some cannon business, man. They watch now. You never see news where something they import. Them money might import something. Where them use put the ammunition together. I talk about them ship them the thing, you know. They have one little machine, right? Where you put the spent shell. You put the spent shell down now, so, and you load it up a gunpowder and the warhead separate.
Yeah.
And you put the warhead up in it up so and then you clinch it down in it. You hold a lever you like and draw it down and you press it down in it and lock it. Them that ship and them not too off, you know. And when I see somebody a ship and them not too off, I say, no, brother, I know so. And there's one little man like me and you a ship that, you know. It a ship to him. But somebody else did it. For example, you get in a matrix saying, we're going to show you the banking barriers them we put up for we as youth in a Jamaica. Because imagine you're 18 and want one bank account, saying, you know, when I requirements, when I mean requirements, the
Bring
matter
one
they
bill.
say, bring one utility bill. But you're 18 years old, no dog, you still live. Your mother yard, maybe your father yard, you know. You're not where you get bill from now. Tell me now, watch I know. The bill, what them a say if you bill to where you bring to you know, for your name pan you know.
Yeah. You have to have your name pan it, cause you can't
But,
fake address.
alright, well I know.
These things.
There are ways around him, you understand you know. See, because you coulda back then you coulda link your JP. Cause them a tell you say if you want one ID size picture too, JP if you sign on them things, see? So you coulda make that set JP there, validate your address.
Same way.
Yeah, and you woulda
But-
can get an account. But one of the main thing about an account in Jamaica, them a tell you say well, if you open it, bring $5,000. You know have the last $5,000 because you know why you want the account. Because you go get a work. And the work I tell you say you need one bank account. So you have the last $5,000
Probably
now.
one shirt and one pants.
See? you know have the last $5,000 now. Go open this account. You can't use the $5,000 because the moment you use it, then start draw interest. So if you use the $5,000, right? And left the account there like say for 6. I say give it 3 months. Maybe you go back for your account and it's not available. No, the man tell you say it's dormant because then draw the whole like $5,000.
Never take out fees and
Yeah.
you broke.
Then draw the whole light and then it go get dormant and then say you're not use so then cancel it. You have to go back over the steps again.
So all of them there financial system are keep you in a matrix from early. You see me? But pre-price discrimination. Same thing as sardine, you know. Uptown, I feel 230, but downtown, you better believe say I near 3 bills, you pay for that blouse and skirts. I don't know, just tax. You see me, I say I just unless a location tax. You get what I say? But that I matrix, and then you question either, brother. But if you know uptown, you don't know. If you know downtown, you don't know.
Alright.
Yes,
Simple
me I say-
example again, saying big corruption case was Monday, Uptown. You see by Friday, we argue over which artist more lyrical. You understand? Which artist? Who better? Alkaline better? Dog. You know see Alkaline drop a song. And then your man call up, man of this cartel. You see man this all massacre. And watch now. How go on what yeah? I won't give you an example.
Election call right now. No?
Let me give you
Me
an
not
example.
even know a date.
Yeah, exactly.
But me know say Alkaline last song named Keyman in a me I wait for Massacre for drops right now. Anything if I ever want more hard time song with me love.
Bro, let
To
me get
motivate the youths.
yeah, let me give you an example. This brother there drive through town in our X5. See? And one taxi brother must drive round him fast or something. But the taxi man bad driving man what? Man pull out him gun and fire 2 shots in a car.
In a car, you know kidding.
In a car. One little juvenile didn't know get shot, the little juvenile dead. See? The man got caught. First of all, them claim say man got caught. Uptown I tell you boy, you know. See man we got caught and then they shoot him. Brother, me get tricked too. Cause at the time, Miss Ray say this a man ya. You understand me? I say, yeah, the whole Jamaica get tricked. Miss Ray say this a man ya. And I man, Him man they are foreign here saying son shot somebody lift up from foreign come there. Come and go court. So if a case happen, that's then charge him. When him can go prove after, say, like when him appeal. See him appeal, say, watch now. Me did they are foreign at the time of the shooting. You know when can prove it?
Yeah.
He take one plane flight after the shooting.
Yeah.
And he not take a plane flight go foreign. He take a plane flight come to Jamaica.
So if you're really so sure,
The case dismissed right there, so.
Sure, say I'm me.
How? I wanna charge me. The case dismissed right there, so. Brother. You know what I say?
The reality that people don't know how I know how it's tell the people every situation.
Oh God, man.
Protege
Protege do his song about you don't know it, man.
They know. I was about to buy a X6, you know.
Alright.
Maybe then I wouldn't have to be a
For sure it's
prisoner.
Uptown.
Maybe then I could have not turned in my firearm.
For sure it's Uptown you can't deny it. When there's the X5 him and drive when it phone is gone. That's the after. When him go to court, it's the X6 man pull up in a news team, the day out of court.
So that's why man say I was about to buy a X6, you know.
Yeah.
Zane, alright, people, I'm giving you even don't believe. From in Jamaica we have accent, you know, gatekeeping. Cause me am a good subject them. See? I have 6 subject CXC. Me have arts. You see me level 1 and 2. I'm going to an interview and I say, yeah man, I want to work, you know.
I can't wait to give me man.
Oh.
Man, even have me say.
You know, pine. Me I say when this I want the banana chips.
Banana chips.
You know what I say? Yeah, Zin. Me walking in one interview and I say, yeah man, I want to work. Yeah. Me? Can't get to work, you know? Zin, you see, Emmanuel walk in an interview and he look a Yankee twang. He look a Yankee twang. He Queen's British. Eh? All if he not qualified, he get it. He look like a professional, and that's an accent gatekeeping in a Jamaica. That's a everyday sitting up to know, brother. If people a good ghetto girl, just cause she born and her environment shape her the way they are, so she talk. But the girl they do good in a school, she can't get to work. She can't pass the interview, bro. No matter, they don't even remember qualifications what they have. You see what me I say? I don't wake up out of Matrix, man.
Yeah, man.
Believe.
Yeah, the Matrix cartoon everywhere, virgin. The Matrix cartoon a 2-party illusion, fam. For example, what is saying PNP, JLP. One kind. Yeah. One kind.
I do.
2 sides. Watch out. If you take a look at one of them, I head supposed to head, you know. Yeah, one of them, you know, put the X
at this
side.
Amount, oh, right.
Put the X side of one
X side of Bella, X side of head.
X side of one head. So if you take a look at it,
yeah.
saying, the
really
Matrix just change. The Matrix just change the color on the t-shirt, fam.
Yeah.
May I tell you?
I see him kind.
I see him kind, bro. I too. What would I call it now? It's like, you know, where she will come from me pen. It's like a one pen, and the whole away I people them in I pen. You see, the politician them they basically in I pen about them the totally and them fi guide it. You get me? I say.
Let me give you.
So what is?
Chevy said best. It's either you have vote for AIDS or you have vote for cancer.
One of that two.
One of that two. The disease will just can't vanish.
And watch his people. Remember say at the end of the day, you know. You vote, we have vote, you know, because I look when I break it down this way, you know. Me and you might go vote for Mike Henry, because Mike Henry then a Clarion and him try champion some things.
He might do good right, down here.
He better for you. See? But a Mike Henry we have vote for. We never go vote for Andrew.
We don't know.
No, me only say it this way, you know. It's vice versa. See? We no go vote for. Where better they found this? Again, the PNP fan on the side there.
I don't know, you know. I could
Joel.
And Joel
we not go vote.
Right.
Oh, Labour right. No, the next one, man. My next one.
I don't know.
I don't even know him neither. But we not go vote for PNP, right?
Oh,
and we not vote for Marky.
And
Marky go win, and Marky go win the country.
Aye.
And if you don't notice,
I give power.
And if you don't notice, I go on the election, you know what they see. He meet no go on, you know why? So only something there talk say. Me born in Jamaica like you know. I go through the grassroots struggle. Me used to sell this or sell that type, you know. Saying? You know, I make sure to tell you that.
Right.
I try to tell you say man, Uptown party, no brother.
Yeah.
They might be up by Uptown part now.
We come from family riches and
Yes.
thing there.
They come from dog there, so.
So when me
So
run
we
the
know
country
how
and
to
business,
face.
me run the half.
Alright,
Yeah.
you know how to face.
And that come in with the same election magic where every 4 year, brother, or every election time, it's
Bro.
street like them fix.
And
And
that's why-
place bright like Christmas road fix.
And that's
After
why we
election
say Chronic
and
Law we
darkness and
artists, you know.
patrol daddy.
Chronic Law we artists, you know, but we should have burn him out when him do all that what you know, because him basically like Shaggy what time I'm tell you about Shaggy back then.
Mm-hmm.
When them use Shaggy as one talking point, forget other black youth involved in it, you know.
You mean when you up market them thing?
When he go on it, yeah. When he go cost the bad old on the thing now time.
Mm-hmm.
You see me I say? Because bro, just your presence alone.
But I just like what you say. He might do it for somebody, not do it for Marky.
No, exactly.
Just like
He might do
majority.
it for somebody can him say it on the stage to say. Most when I'm friend them dead or whatever, he might deal with the people them where he help them. And I say if all of we priests are now, when me the person now, and a Joel go help me, I see him to me if say, I vote. You see if you continue priest or them thing them go card because hear why. Them know you know. So we are gonna always have to divide there, you know. Why we are gonna have to divide there? Me and Chronic Law, but I never link for you so we like if you know one another.
Mm-hmm.
So we now go sit down and chat out them thing and say, dog, you know, so when they help you what they help me too.
Then rather keep with divided so we not fall together comfort. Yeah, we there so I use and I say yo, them are idiot and them over there.
So for me tell you say,
bro, I want to be idiot in the system right now.
so for me tell you say, it place where bring black youths together in most. I want to worst place, none of we no want to go.
Where that?
Jailhouse.
Oh yeah.
All of we have to work together in a jailhouse. You know?
Me couldn't know
Yo,
that.
watch you now. If you don't disbelieve, one lighter than a jailhouse. And you see sell them bill like from 1 go to 12. So you know say just count it down in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down to 12.
Mm-hmm.
And the lighter you go down at 12 all 7 times in night, you know. And come back up and say, you know.
Unity.
Unity we have to work together.
One place that go work together.
You see it?
Alright, what you know? You have colorism bias in Jamaica too. Where them program that from early like where the G did I say. Zane, but watch out. If one dark skin cat post one picture. Yeah, here's that no that you see me warm and back then from early in our teen days, you know, you see me where then come in with filters and then same thing there. White girl no need filter. Black girl they say I use filter, brother. What they we did one bleach and nail bleach and then same thing there. Zane and then you say, oh beautiful queen, your ass. Yeah, me always tell my catty dog, never take a picture of my daughter with no filter on it. Especially if you think to send it to my phone.
Yeah.
You remember this, your virgin?
No
Never.
filter.
You hear me? I say, mad. She don't need that G.
No, but watch you know. You can't cause the bank thing. I think they need one more thing to get a bank account, you know. They need a TRN, you know. Yeah, I think your name is a tax
Registration number.
Tax registration number. Saying you have to take three picture then say if you take. Saying 2 trips downtown or wherever. So get it. Lunch money. You understand? Well naturally. The number where you want really. Cause for me have a TRN in the virgin. I can tell you how much bill about 5 times you get now.
Yeah.
Really, you know.
Yeah.
See? And watch now. Me know a benefit of them thing there, you know. But me I say, you giving out a TRN card, right? To the person them you tell yourself say, maybe not have a address. Because that's why that's one of the requirements for the banking system for your card, the fucking thing, you know, maybe not have a address. So you give them a TRN card.
Yeah.
All of them shit there. It don't really make sense to me. Because, alright, yeah, give you a bank account, right? Until we say, pay the 5 grand. And and we are going to work and put the money in your bank account. I do work, I tell you say you have to have a bank account.
Yeah.
Why me tell myself say why we not have one system where
Majority of anything you can do online.
yeah, bro, when I know the bank itself then have a system where they pay you so and you go there so go collect your money. You understand me I say? One direct location you have to go there instead of you have an account. You just have one direct location for go there so for your money. The whole system designed to keep your card in a system, bro. You can't avoid it. So you have to get a TRN at the end of the day, whether you want it or not. Because me know elder back then whenever I done them paper, you know.
So then can
when
take
me
money
tell him
from
say,
you.
Yeah, when me tell him say me I go get one ID and anything, you know.
Mhm.
Cause I will get my birth certificate, cause old one me did have. He might say, bro, me not have none of them shit. It's like you last half a grade. But you have to have it. It's like you have to be a part-time matrix. That's why I say you have to just work with it, bro. Yeah. You have to, unless you go back to like caveman terms, fam.
Dog. In next part I matrix I crab in a barrel mentality where every day at this then use and kill we and the wickedest thing. I uptown people them we do better. Always I use the term crab in a barrel, you know. The people them we do better, we strive to do better. Zane, and here we going now. Oh, you feel me vision, crab in a barrel. Where phrase come from? If you crab a draw you down, I which direction him a try go now up.
Out now.
So what you tell me say me fi do? No go up cause you me see you up there. So you see how them paint that as bad mind. So watch you know, we don't want to strive for nothing for rise to. Zane, just picture say one of them crab that they just pre-say giant claw.
No man, if one did just reach team claw up there and
Giant
reach
claw,
it,
exactly.
it may not be a crab in a barrel situation no more.
Then,
Because all of them would have come out.
exactly. So what you know no? Uno there saw pre say yo, you man a bad mind on and I say go, who put we in a barrel? Where barrel come from?
Virgin, the same thing. Me say why everything they start the alkaline debate because people have a crab in a barrel mentality.
Yeah.
Because me no see it, it no make no sense.
Yeah.
Bro, if me a try to come build software, and me know say I build the best software them out there. Why the hell me I go emulate one next man over there so we just a start?
Bro,
Yeah, idiot. Now you me I go try to find out everything where you
You
do.
gotta tell me say a bad mind that
Oh, that's to be bad mind,
bro,
fam. That
come
mean,
on.
if you know somebody where paint house, I same thing, you go on for like that, the man name do the best.
And that then use and trap, you know. So you notice then keep on reiterate them and repeat every second.
That's
crab
why,
in a barrel,
yeah.
crab in a barrel, crab in a barrel. We no med stop, man. I'm telling you, I'm Matrix. And we have to bust out that. Alright, so what you know now? We followed up with 25 hidden matrix glitches in a Jamaica. Zane, we tell you about some in and finer details took a while, about 10 of them is the way, but just some everyday running, so you can see what me talk about. A matrix bullets them, matrix bullet them. You see me? So location price trap. Same bread uptown price $50 less than downtown. The cash dependency. You see me, I say everything cash, so you can't even build credit. Seasonal inflation. So if food price raise before back to school or Christmas and then magically drop back after. You see me? A bank fee drain. As me said, $300 fee for account maintenance and you don't even have money in there. You see me? Work without pension. Most young workers have no pension plan, locking them into a lifelong hustle. You have a language bias where patois at work is seen as uneducated, even though our first language, you know. See? A beauty standard chap where bleaching cream advertise more than natural hair products. Education misdirection. You leave school knowing Shakespeare quotes but can't write one business plan, brethren. No make no sense. Respectability politics. Or your dress determine if police treat you like a suspect or a sir. You see me? It's celebrity distraction. So you have music beats and social media mix up, flood the news while major laws pass quietly. You have two-party trappers that say PNP, JLP switch every few years, but the core people problem never change. You see what I say? You have election project them where road and drains fix before election and mash up again right after.
Anything not done fix. Like right now, anything not done fix right now, it stop. Then them pause it. You know why them pause it?
I'm not tell you like the program fee 3 million, then pause it from
here. If we don't make we win,
we not continue. Exactly.
So if them win, we are going to roll out here and tell them say, yo, I win, we should make win. We want for the next time, next 4 years, make sure we win. And we start up back thing.
Yeah, to foreign programming. From school days, you told success equal get a visa. Not build a business in a Jamaica, you know. Zine, so left Jamaica. Brain dream charge it. Your community divide. You have political garrisons where keep poor communities separate. Just like what Chadia said. We and Chronicler will never have a conversation. So we can't change stories. You see me, we are going to stay there fight each other. You have a national pride control business where big celebration for sports win, but no national push for local manufacturing or innovation in a country. No make no sense. A paper over progress where you need 6 signature for one basic permit when you could have do online and just get me want go deal with this here, and if you go deal with the thing next week and you want me go get 6 passport size picture and sign it for 2 JP and make one pass down one principal and
there is a
when we could have start out sitting online and 3 day time you send it back in my email and me go print it for some case.
There's a serious difference, you know, because I remember when you them there Billy shoes them at home they and I put on the sign them funny. Them thing they do a China and them place, you know.
Brother, come on, man. Now we get fight. Alright. And I buy them from China and sell them.
I bill it.
Fool, brother. ID redundancy. You have a dad say TRN business, the passport and driver's license, NIS card. One of them they are separate system instead of one secure ID. But you know, boss man said did that work on that what here as the G says. So I'm here where myself.
Yeah, because all we have a number, Virgin. All we have a number if you disbelieve. Make your house burn down or anything and you want back like a birth certificate. You got a birth certificate office you want a town and them tell them a name and I'm gonna look up your name and find a number. And your number make you can generate back a birth certificate. Right, that's all.
I'm telling you now where they
so that means we have a number like American them.
Like
them social security number. Yeah.
Yes,
well, I know. Before you go further, somebody has said I think L.A. Lewis now we know say we don't play him. L.A. Lewis say all our birth certificate them. Look for it too.
The number for
England. The red number, yeah. And you can bring in a number there England or some shit in that say and get too much money.
Yeah.
Remember that video there?
Something like that. Remember it, man. Zane, I'm telling you the part the biggest part for me, tax system meals. You see me I say well it complicated enough for scare small entrepreneurs them into staying well illegal. You see me? Cause what you know now, I just like when I tell my brethren what there. The man them get locked up every day for weed, brother, when it licensing not so difficult, you know, but if you get through to it, the whole process and the whole like reading and writing.
The barriers them would did there.
Bro, you will just continue traffic weed illegal.
And them know that call red tape.
Yes, what me I say, alright, the license renewal hassle. Where you lose 2 days of work just for standing on one line where could have been replaced with a website, bro. I kill them, I kill you. So you lose that 2 days out of your livelihood. Why? Public office gatekeepers where them a tell us say come back next week. They run around till you have to know somebody if you get, you know, caught in it. See?
No, if you know somebody just pay a little money you get through quick.
Yeah, forget that me talk about. As I say, crab in a barrel mindset where success is seen as a threat instead of inspiration. A lottery mentality where believes that one big break can solve everything instead of consistent effort. If foreign worship where we worship a brand them and the accent, automatically we see them as superior. Even now, brother, a quiet culture of fear where people avoid speaking out on issues. So that we don't get marked, but we hide with face. Weekend escape loop where you work hard all week and you party all weekend and start broke on Monday. Yeah, me I say you repeat that forever, brother. You see me? So here we go on, man. Nobody feel like say in a Matrix when we are telling about the Matrix. Nobody feel like a movie settings, bro. It's real.
And watch this now.
Program in a Jamaica for just work till you no job.
Try till you say you're going, this left out a Matrix. I mean say this like what is now? You see rent where you pay me this side, sir. You know me not paying the rent. I just have to save all of my money for today. They sell them bar about me, I got me name now go. Me even buy them cologne or this thing. You're gonna lose your work. Cause people are gonna say you're bowling, you're frozen, and you're not trim. And you thought this in the like, you know what I say?
Yeah, madman.
So eventually you're gonna lose your work. It's like you have to keep up with appearance by spending the same money. You get to me I say?
Yeah.
So society got the trap in making the money. When I say we tell you from day one the money not really value nothing in us. We have put a value at it. If you think about it. A piece of paper. Making the money. Spending back the money. Hey, you know what say our system like a lot of
brother.
Think about it, say a lot of have a rural, super lotto, have a rural as a funder. And we have fund the money, you know, to give one somebody at the end of the day, you know. But you wanna no, we feel say we are give one
I
somebody at
was
the end of
fan
the
of
day.
ja.
Because you know, the banker always a win bigger than anybody else.
You say I was fan of ja.
Bro, remember say man, alright. You might not pay tax now, you know, but win the lotto tomorrow and see if you not pay tax. Win the lotto tomorrow and see if you not pay tax, brother, here. But you not get 50 million and not get 50 a yard. We can tell you that. But doubt if you could get 25. If you live in America, you not get 25. You don't know boy in Jamaica. But in America, you win $50 million in a lotto, you're not getting 25. You get less than that. Because then give you two options to take it to. One option make you get the most. If you are going to take like a segment payment, like each month you get a payment and the next payment and the next payment. That way they make you get the most. But you're good at dead. If you take a lump sum, you see big tax where you get. You see if you take a lump sum, you see big tax where you get. I would have like this. I would have same thing we explain about Elon Musk. You get one big $50 million, you have one big piece of tax to pay. So you go. So the Matrix caught you in every way, brother. Make the money for give you back. I just simple that. So at the end of the day, we really a work for. Eh? Because remember say when you're dead in a brother, me hear one say it at the end. So a foreign industry say. You will never see, I think Denzel Washington said it, you know. So you will never see a U-Haul behind one hearse. And take a look for it, maybe coincidence with yes, but that's what hearse is a drive. And the U-Haul there for the same road at some point though. But as simple as you can't where they are work for. So we are really a work for that. You know, it better you do. If society pray, it better you just get a piece of land. Work by a piece of land. See? Live for your piece of land and plant goods like back then in a slavery. Where they would plant everything where you can sell, don't it? So at the end of the day, when the government are confident tax, because I don't know tax are pay, you know. When the government are confident tax, right? You that can pay the tax by what you earn off of your land. But you don't have to give away your time. You can have your time to yourself.
I forget rid of so yeah, I get out time Matrix. You see me? So alright, my people, just remember I Marcus them. You know where I go? Yeah, but emancipate yourself from mental slavery for real, man. Zane. And we don't want you just know the problem. We want you know say escape possible. In a layman term, imagine you think you own a taxi. See? But the road and the passenger them it decided by everybody. All the fear decided by somebody already. The only way you can free is unless you own your own taxi like what Gia say and take any road you want. Police are going to tell you say you can't, you know, they're on the right route, you know, but the only way you really are going free in a Matrix or you're going to make money. You're an idiot. 500 somebody run racetrack to toll gate taxi. And you come put out taxi. I'm going to put it by racetrack.
Tell me now.
Listen, man. Free up yourself. Zane, you have to know your history.
No, if I the plan that you have, don't take my plan to go to the bank for the money for the plan that you have, because you know what I mean, no sense.
Virgin, you have to just remember, say, him around them, they take them thing they lightly. Free them pre-say escape did it. Sam Sharp pre-say escape did it. So man decides so we not big space in our system, we build our own space outside. Yes, system still have a fine, you know. And give the corporate or slaughter rate letter there, you know. But here we go on. At that point there, you create generational wealth and protection for your youths them for go on further.
You know see it what they when the police boy try go up in Maroon Town but take away man them weed.
No,
and then they on duty. Yeah, try go to take away man them weed and the man them come out. The whole community come out. They say Mr. Courier walk out with him piece of shot on the back. Yeah man, they will arm up to. I say they say man, no police have to come myself with no weed. So no matter who you depend, you know what police have to go up there?
Yeah man.
Yeah, that kind of decide say come back up here.
But more see if we miss nothing though, boy.
No, you see another them case there. Them thing them rate them for. Standing up for themselves. We don't rate them when they just get turned over weed.
Space, so that yeah. Tell us that
standing up for themselves, man.
It depends with the different space dog yeah, and what's a rare.
So I say yeah. That yeah, man.
No, that don't make no sense. When people is a boy has some foot, baby. It's a boy I tell me about If you can't carry headphone go up because CIA a program it. Yeah, see, because it a go turn on to my dead phone. Yo, listen me no man that a part of Matrix too. Them a listening you 24/7, you hear?
Hey boy, Edward Snowden, me can tell me this man, the movie they out there. Edward Snowden is supposed
The
to
movie,
be.
it truth.
No, well, I know.
This is
Yo, most black
WikiLeaks
people
have it out there
most
for
black
real. Go and
people-
go check it.
most black people rather moving at things, you know.
Yeah,
So it's true. Me know say if they watch a movie, they still go get the
yeah.
real story said way. Cause I don't really know movie. I just saw a story that you want to get so fix up in a movie. Enough people know. Edward Snowden and Julian Assange in him. I think they released Julian Assange over there. See? Cause that the man that have to stay in our embassy for years.
Edward Snowden not still hide.
Yeah, I think Russia in there right now. He can't come out. He can't left. But the next man, Julian Assange, him own WikiLeaks, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Him did have to stay in our embassy for years that he can't left. It means say police they out the door every day. That's why they can't lock him up in the embassy. If he just step out that door.
Yeah.
Cause you know why they want to do every day?
Mm.
They know saying we try left and run and they not gonna know when they. They go hide like Snowden. So they have to just did their wait and say watch any car come out. We don't know if he in it.
Massa.
Bro.
No, it's skill. It's skill. But then something the real people. So I don't know about that just tune out like say. You know?
Watch the movie man and you will see Edward Snowden at work for
Alright,
TT. Edward Snowden at work for CIA. And the moment he upgrade with his job, he realize what really are going. And so in Katia go find out. The man start to use black tape and tape every camera. I used to do it when much movie me start do it. But start to use electrical tape. Can I say no tape, no other tape, no make sense.
Mm-hmm.
Electrical tape and tape every camera. And then he realize say them about the entire house.
I'm telling you something.
Daddy.
All who I think but we got take electrical tape now. These are real events. So you know them if manufacturers of electrical tapes are not making them the same way anymore. Right. So you try that till you're weak.
For sure you say real. Me can go on a prime example because I know all I want to use TikTok, right? Go up on TikTok and just type in certain words. You see, own off like me for my TikTok. Me no ban no word, you know. You can go up on my TikTok go say any word if you want to call me a nigga or whatever you want. Really. You have the option to can ban certain words though. Like if you don't want your TikTok get too X-rated, like a female, you know what I say? But me no ban none. And I regular me look for my comment and see TikTok tell me say these some comments in this chat were filtered because of Ray. I said thing Edward Snowden tell about. You know what CIA do? They have a program where them put in them did require every top vendor like Samsung, LG, and all of them to make it in one year. Then that require all of them to put it as a software. Like when you buy your phone now, and see some software you cannot delete. It just did it. That I did one I software them. So once the device active, them can turn it on and do all if you turn it off.
You can imagine.
So what them doing now? To listen everybody, you know, cause somebody that tell them say so when I believe you know say. They know them are gonna listen everybody at once. They not listen everybody at once. They have keywords.
As long as you don't
like,
say keywords them.
Bam, Al Qaeda, suicide. Their words there. If you mention that, your call gets separated from the whole life work I call them now.
Let me explain the phone. You say Andrew get the same device there right now.
Yeah.
Cause America circle him and say what you know, we need 350 scammers.
Simple as that.
And just like a program in the keyword lateral scam or no lateral scam cause that
who would I get it?
No,
get it?
When I heard them off one of their script business the way man them would have one of their winner of publishers. They would just type in publishers clear out.
But I said I could start halfway in a rabbit hole. I could start from way out. If Andrew get it, who would I get the next? Because it have to be with top communication devices, them telecommunication
flow
provider them flow and Digicel.
And them would have a task.
And them would have a task of implementing it part for them, for them side of network. And watch this, if you got Digicel go buy a phone now, Digicel will tell you say by your reach, remember you turn on the phone and them I go send you one message. Me tell that song call them already when me upgrade my internet.
Actually my phone dead right now.
So when me upgrade my internet, and them call me, right? Because I say my internet upgrade, you know, my phone I recognize my internet upgrade. them send one message. Me have to click on the message and then no press install. When me install that, me internet upgrade say time.
Alright, me now cut you. Me give you one even better. Flow sell some phone right now at 10 grand me pay for it and then put you up on one postpaid package for prepaid package I think for 6 months. So more than 10 grand you go actually pay. But you know what the hell, 10 grand up front you get a phone. Boom. They have a Flow Telecom sitting now where it's a software on the phone. It come with the phone.
Yeah, man.
See, I don't trust that. I not even click it. You can see it on my phone. See me still have one that pan it.
Me I go in I go disable it.
Me not even click
that
it.
as far as you can do to it. You go inside it, app itself, and disable it.
But yeah, man, you know no permission from my phone. So even no believe. And when they want to know, they go suburbs and type in Latchy sweepstake, and then everybody will use that and say that or text
yeah,
that.
Man. Yeah, man.
They will lock into location with some GPS device.
How when I do it
Ping
legitimately?
yourself
Legitimately, they're on the radar now.
Yeah, man. So that are how then do this. But lucky for you know, America are interested in now.
No, well I know. That's why you have VPN. So VPN, away, for example, in Russia and them countries there, right? They ban Instagram and ban TikTok, you know. They cannot use them social media then and them place there, you know. If you go around it, they use something like a VPN. And I say if you ban it, right? Like right now in Jamaica. Me you can put up on website, you know, where I promote violence in Jamaica, you know. And the Jamaican government can get rid of it, you know.
Yeah.
Just shut it down, you know.
Because the website them we have access to.
Yeah, I say. So what me I say is the fact that they can do that to implement a thing where you are say. I would have nonchalant, we never know.
Then I tell you so that
we never no idea.
When you tell me say they gone, they will lift up because they left for news. Me I say no. Because we don't lift up for no call to action, we just lift up. Gone a different media to get tricked by her.
Well I know. Me say it that way there. Because I want me look for myself. You see for the day me start use YouTube and start listening some type of things, other type of things. Me stop listening to EVJ news.
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell you why. You listen to any news and take sense out of nonsense, you know. But when the news drive one agenda, it's go hard for you not join the agenda. Because the agenda beat in your head day upon day. 12 o'clock they beat in your head, 8 o'clock will come more again, the next day I repeat. So I stop watching type of news there. The reason why, if me listen Serpy, and Serpy do a story about them scammer. Papa news they said story about the said scammer them. See? Is it true they know under media corporation?
Yeah.
Then we say different things.
Where news now go tell
Where news now go say this is one that we contradict that they want to do. This is one that we say the brother a long time must come rare. This is one that would get different as news.
But here
with the news now would drive one agenda.
Here where they now do. They now shape the information.
Yeah.
For your cause.
Aye.
Then just give you
information.
As they get it.
So you feel this information.
Shape the information.
Yeah, for your agenda. Yeah, man, I'm drive one agenda, man.
Yeah, man, say people. So what you know now? Decide which pill not choose. If you know how if you continue some videos like them and show no more things about the Matrix and life as it. Because that we really can shine at it, you know. Because as we say, we not live in a box. A kick box. You see what I say? So we can show no easy, man. You see me? Drop in the comments. Big up, man. And watch out. We have a whole heap of video where we have to go on, you know. No worry on the head, man. Because we sort out the dancehall video. We sort out a current situation. We have a whole heap of video for going on, man. Don't feel no way. Through the computer, the system, they have to update.
Don't feel like we
just one screen right now.
Don't feel like we just are telling about the Matrix.
We are work.
And I know something what we are trying to avoid. We are trying to get out of that. Because watch this. When you try to get out of Matrix, me feel say when you start, you say money when you make, need to make money while you have it. You don't need to get it and go heap it up in a one bank and try to save to reach 2.5 million to then buy that.
You're dead, man.
See? So watch out. A simple investment like a Bitcoin investment. Tomorrow. It's like a simple investment like a Bitcoin investment as large as you may feel it is. It don't large. I watch you now. Bitcoin open for everybody. You see, if you have one NCB or any one of them account there, you can find a platform. Whole heap of them out there. I just show we not give financial advice or would I say recommend you to that, but we can recommend you to one we
Downtown.
use. Can recommend you to
get
one. You
financial
see if you
advice.
well want get another field there, do your own research. You see if you want one will recommend you to, what I mean say, if you buy a Bitcoin, right, and you see you make a 2 bills today and you want it by a morning or by look more, you can get it off it. We can recommend you to one like that. We are going to get your money and now bring you to 140 hoops. You make a money, you get it back. So that me feel say every youth fair play. Not just sit down and go and try work and or try scamming and just spend off your back. Whatever you make, bro, you have to try invest that
Think
somewhere.
of it the way, yeah.
Yeah.
Only way on a truly wealthy is unless you have money for a great grand.
Exactly, bro.
Lawyers for retainers for a great grand.
You understand? Let me tell this man. For me, I fear youth, I go do a whole heap of things in life, man. Where we wouldn't expect. Lawyer upon retainer, the greatest thing.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned, people.
One pray.